project tayo. Baklaking project. So ngayon, meron talaga yung mga papel-papel na hindi masyado matakompleto yung decompletion sa paperwork. Pag ano ang kuha, magsabi lang siya deficiency, mga ganon. Hindi masabihin na deficiency na ninakaw mo yung pera. Deficiencies in really in producing the necessary documents to complete the story. Imposible magnakaw ka ng 67.3. Alam mo, kasi yung exit call nila, yan ang problema. Kasi yung exit call would point out what needs to be done further to complete the papers. Or, alam mong kuha, every now and then, maraming regulasyon eh. Naghahabol ang bureaucracy niyan. Many government worker who were placed in a bad light because paglabas nitong COA audit, illegal itong mga deficiencies, kaya itong 67.3, mga ganon. Ang labas niya sa mga tao, akala na wala. Nandyan yung pera. So, I don't know, but it would also run counter to public policy if you do not publish it. Just to inform the people of what is going on. But to the issue of whether the money has been stolen, that is pure bullshit.